Hey everyone, today I will show you how you can automatically move sent emails to a folder. So first, when you're in your Gmail, what you want to do is you need to go to labels right here. You need to hit the plus icon and you want to call this label whatever you want. Let's just call it YouTube. Click create. Now you've got yourself a known label. Now what you want to do is you need to go to this message that I've just sent to myself. You want to click on this and check it. You want to click on the three dots and you want to go to filter messages like this. And you want to click create filter. Alright, once you're here, you want to check this one so it is skipping the inbox and it is automatically going to your label. And then you want to check this one also. You want to choose your label and you want to go to the label that you just made. Click create filter and there you go, your filter was created. Now if I go and try to send an email to that specific email address, now let's go back and let's go back to the label. Let me just refresh it and there you go. Here's the message that I've just sent. And now it's working. If you guys have any questions, you can just leave down in the comments below and I'll try to answer all of it. Thanks for watching.